Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you will be safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today I will teach you about how to solve word problems by drawing models. So students, get ready to study with me. Take your notebooks and pencils with you. First of all, word problems. When you see these type of sums relating to the word problems, many of the students are having the phobia that the word problems, statement sums, these are very difficult to solve. But students, don't have this phobia in your mind. The statement sums are very easy to solve by following some steps, by keeping some things in the mind carefully. You can also do these sums very easily. As we are doing other sums easily, you can also do word statements, sums, words, problems. You can do all these sums very easily. Today I will tell you how to solve these word problems very easily by drawing a model, especially addition sums. For example, there is one information with us that Radha is saying, I have 370 photos. Radha is saying, I have 370 photos. And Mohan is saying, I have 1768 photos. And the question asked to us is that, how many photos do the children have in total? How many photos do the children have in total? Yes, we will draw one model relating to this information. Now see which information is given. We are told about the 370 photos, those are with Radha, and we are also told that 1768 photos are with Mohan. Yes, we will draw one model relating to it. We will draw one box for Radha's photos. And how many photos does Radha have? 370. And we will also draw one box for the photos that is with Mohan, and those photos are 1768. From here, this green portion shows the photos of Radha, and this yellow portion shows the photos with Mohan. Now what you have to find out, how many photos do the children have in total. Now you have to tell how many total photos are there. How many total photos are there? So you have to add this green and yellow portion. Green portion means 370 and yellow portion means 1768. When you will add these both, then what you will get? These total photos. Yes, 370 plus 1768 means now you have come to know that this is a sum of addition. Yes, how to add now? For doing the addition, firstly we will write the places: ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now 370. So we will start writing from our right hand side, from ones place. Firstly 0 ones, 7 tens and 3 hundreds. As we will write 0 ones, 7 tens and 3 hundreds. And the next number is 1768. 8 ones, 6 tens, 7 hundreds and 1 thousands. So now we will add these. 0 plus 8, 8, 7 and 6, 13, 1 carry, 3 and 1, 4 and 7, 11, again 1 carry, 1 and 1, 2. When we have added these, we got 2138. Now we have come to know that how many total photos are with Radha and Mohan. They have total 2138 photos with them. Yes friends, now see one more example. That is, Ravi saved rupees 12,621 and his brother saved rupees 15,625. Now find the total amount they saved. Firstly, whenever statement sum is given to you, any word problem is given to you, first of all, first step, what should be the first step that must be done by you? That is understanding. First of all, read the statement carefully and try to understand it. If in once you are not getting the statement, then read it twice, read it thrice, read it up to the time as you are not understanding it. First step is of understanding the statement. Now see, in this sum, by reading the statement, we have come to know that which information is given to us. Which information is given to us in this statement? We are given that Ravi and his brother have saved some amount. Ravi have saved some amount and his brother has also saved some amount. Now what you have to do? Do the planning. After understanding, do the planning. What planning you have to do? You should draw a model. Model means draw one yellow color box for Ravi, that is 12,621, that is showing 12,621, and draw one green box for his brother, that is 15,625. You can choose any colors, not as that ma'am has used yellow and green, you should also use yellow and green. Which are your favorite colors, you can use those colors here for drawing the model. Yes, now after drawing the model, what you have come to know? That Ravi have saved 12,621. This portion from here, yellow portion shows the money saved by Ravi, and this green portion shows the money saved by his brother. Now what we have to find out? Find the total amount they saved. Means how much total money they have saved. How much total money they have saved. How you will get how much total? Means Ravi's money plus his brother's money. Means how much money has been saved by Ravi plus how much money has been saved by his brother. So 12,621 plus 15,625. Now what will be our next step? First step was of understanding the statement. Second step was about planning. Now what is the third step? After doing the planning, doing the action. Yes, what is the action? That what we have to do in this sum for finding the total? We will add these two numbers. So how you will add these two numbers? By writing the places firstly. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So here is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. We will write the digits according to their places. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. And the second number also we will write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Yes, after adding 5 and 1, 6, 2 and 2, 4, 6 and 6, 12, 1 carry, 2 and 1, 3 and 5, 8, 1 and 1, 2. We got 28,246. Now we have come to know that they saved rupees 28,246 in total. Yes friends, now you can do the practice of these types of sum in the assignment. Don't get confused. Do the firstly read the statement carefully, then after that do the planning, draw the model, after that do the calculations. Then you will come to know how to solve these sums. Okay, bye, have a good day.